In this video, I'll show you how to use Canva Folders to keep your projects and designs organized. So if you're on the home screen, go to the left-hand toolbar, click on Projects. Then you'll see your recent designs and your other designs. Go to the right-hand side and click on Add New. Then click on Folder. Then you'll be asked to create a folder and you'll be asked to enter a name. So let's enter our name, our folder name as Course Designs. And then if you want to add someone to this folder, you can add someone's email here, which is connected to their Canva account, and then you click Continue. So now that our folder has been created, we can see our folder right here under Folders. It's called Course Designs. So if we want to add one of our recent designs to our Course Designs folder, we can just right click. So we can go on our design, hover over our design and right click, and then we can click on Move, and then we can select our folder right here, or you could type in your folder name up at the top here to search it. So click on the Course Designs, and then you can click on Move. So if we want to add another design to our folder, we can just hover over it, and then we could right click, or we can just click the three dots in the corner to open the tab. Then you can click on Move, and then you can select your folder, which is the Course Designs, and then you can click on Move. And now we have added our two designs to our course folder. So if you click on course folder to open it, you'll see the two designs in course folder. So if you want to remove a design from course folder, from our course design folder, you can just right click, or you could just click on the three dots. So we'll right click for now, and then you can click remove from folder, and that design will be removed from your course design folder. So if we're going to remove this one as well, we could just right click, click on remove from folder. Alright, so if we go back to projects and we want to add this to the folder, we could just right click, and then we could click move, and then we can select our course designs folder, and then we can click move. Now we've added that to our course design folder. So I'll see you guys in the next video.